The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Quincy County, northeastern Muskingum County, eastern Coshocton County, southwestern Tuscarawas County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kilby, or 7 miles south of Millersburg, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Newcomerstown, West Lafayette, Baltic, Port Washington, Stone Creek, Plainfield, Gilmore, Otsego, Chile, Bowdoin, Litchfield, Bakersville, Leland, and Campbellton. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 57 and 72. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Now looking at the weather.